Keep your household on track and on schedule with a home command center featuring decor from Hobby Lobby. To get started, choose from an eclectic mix of chalk and corkboard options in every style you can imagine. Explore an array of shapes and sizes to find the perfect pieces for your space. Use a large board for the entire household, or customize smaller boards for each member of the family. Then add baskets and wall pockets to create designated spaces for personal items. Looking for organization options? Hobby Lobby has everything, from calendars to hooks to wall-mounted storage and more. There are so many pieces to choose from, and they're all designed to blend function with style. Try using a large calendar as the focal piece of your command center. Then fill in with things like baskets, file holders, and letterboards. The goal is to create a space that works for your lifestyle. However you imagine your command center, Hobby Lobby has everything you need to get it up and running. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.